Hey everyone, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a small layout update. As you can see, 628 has made its return, pulling its normal track. Got it on the middle track this evening. As you can also see, the RF&P car has been repaired, and the CNW cattle car has made its appearance as well. The RF&P car is a lifelike. The only thing I needed to add was just some Microtrains parts on it, and it was good to go. As also you can see from the last update I did, the beacon is on, and you can see it's actually mounted up. It's ready to look over the night sky, and it's also connected to the AC side of my transformer. The tower has been moved in between the police cars. Have a look out over the entire city. The roadway will continue soon. I just haven't done much with that recently. And I also found a couple little doodads. I'll get to the other freight cars in a second. As you can see, this little pier with the little bird, that came off the O-scale layout from years ago. When my dad and I did an overhaul of it, that was one of the pieces that came off. I decided to put it right there with the river. And you can see this crossbuck there, as you can see by the dispatch tower. That is actually off the 145 Gateman. It was one that I had on there that was broke, and I was able to reuse that and make a small base for it out of a piece of 1/4-inch plywood. And pretty much everything else has been the same, but just allowing the trains to keep running. Also, as you can see, welcome Tidewater City in the background. And the cars that you see here are Buster's newest additions. These were two that I recently got. And I'm going to let 628 go by me real quick. These two cars are built by Atlas, I think. The caboose ran extremely rough, and as you can see, let me grab it really quick. It has metal wheels on it now, and also the correct size pins. When I got it, the pins were not holding the truck securely, and the wheels had so much dirt, it would not allow the car to turn. So I said, well, give it an overhaul, and she now runs fine. She runs like a champ. This guy I had to do some work to. The wheels were fine, but I actually re-glued the weight and also added a small piece of 1/4-inch plywood, about maybe that long, underneath the top of the shell to add some weight so the shell will not shake. And you can see now there's very little shake in the car, and it runs beautifully. And these both have Microtrains parts on them, and I was very surprised with the Microtrains wheels on this caboose. They had so much dirt on there, but you can see with the metal wheels, she rides smooth. And it took me a long time to find this caboose. And this one is actually yellow instead of red. And this one out on the other side says radio equipped. So, let's see. And here's a closer look at the Delaware and Hudson car as well. I've always liked the D&H just because they're actually a very cool railroad. And look at 628 going right by. The RF&P car, I will tell you guys a little bit about it. It actually had some weight on by the previous owner. And the only thing I had to put on there was some trucks, and that was it. So we've gotten a few little doodads here and there. But just allowing the trains to run, and just finding a few cars. And also been working on the Amtrak set, which I haven't really done much with recently, but that's going to be an upcoming project very soon. So just want to let you guys watch 628 around the layout and let him pull his cars around. So it is with that we conclude this video. I hope all of you enjoyed, and just remember, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. And tap the notification bell where you get all the latest updates. Happy model railroading, guys. Take care.